Good morning, fam. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Happy blessed day. We're here to South Finest Meat to do that pick 5. And I still got a lot of that ground beef that I had bought last week. Still got a lot. So I'm cooking that today. So what we gonna have today is some hamburger patties smothered with onions and gravy with some mashed potatoes and green beans. Which I'm gonna have to go to Aldi's and get my green beans. But I'm gonna show you how you can make a $10 meal to feed a family off of what I am going to buy. Well, I already got the ground beef, but I'm gonna show you the price of ground beef, the mashed potatoes, and the canned green beans. That is a meal in itself, fam. A meal in itself. But I'm gonna show you the price at South Finest Meat, how much a pack of ground beef costs, and then we going to Aldi's also. Stay tuned. I think I'm gonna get some lima beans. I'm gonna cook some lima beans tomorrow. That's gonna be part of my pick 5. I want some bacon, but they bacon is kind of high, so I think I'm gonna go to Aldi's and get my bacon because I can't find no bacon in part of their pick 5. I think all their bacon is $3.99 and theirs is $4.99. So we'll go to Aldi's since I gotta get my canned beans. Okay, this is what I was talking about. For the $10 meal, you can buy a pack of ground beef for $5.20, and they get you some onions and mashed potatoes, some green beans. Yeah, that'll be good. But of course, I'm getting my chicken. Let's see. Dang, I didn't mean in that one there. That was too good. That one. Okay, I'm gonna get these. I think I got one pack of chicken still left. 1, 2, 3. I need to get. I want to get me some neck bones though, fam. I really do. I might just get a pack of neck bones this time. Make some neck bones and rice. That pack look good, so that'll be 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I might get some chicken thighs. That's a big pack right there. Can't you get there? Just looking for something that's kind of small. A little bit way back in this bag. I'm gonna put it back. Get these right here. Alright, y'all see my pick 5? This is the best place to come when you're doing a pick 5, but not for the like your canned goods, your seasoning, and anything like that, because they way overpriced. So let's check out and go to Aldi's. Ooh, I want me some biscuits though. How much they biscuits? $4.99. How many you get in there? 2, 4, 5, 10 biscuits for $4.99. And no, he ain't getting that sausage part of the pick five this time. That's a pretty good deal. That's a pretty good deal. Because the $6.79 you get 2, 4, 5. You still get the same amount. Oh, those are jumbo cat head biscuits. These the split biscuits. These the split biscuits. Okay, they got some for $3.89 for 10 biscuits. So I'm gonna get that. So this is everything that I got. Y'all see it? Let's check out. Alrighty, we done made it to Aldi's. So I need to get some canned goods. I need my green beans and some bacon. So I see you inside. I got my bag this time, fam. You see how small bag that is? I'm gonna make sure I ain't putting too much in this bag. Alright. Them apples I bought from all of them things it wasn't any good at all, fam. Oh, they done changed it around in here. Oh my goodness. Y'all see where the alcohol at now? That ain't where it used to be. Look at the crocodile. They didn't, okay, all this. Okay, all this. I like the new look. But I need me some onions. So I'm gonna get them onions. Because I think I only got like two left. So I'm gonna get these onions. Okay, I got my onions. $2.55. And I need to get some canned goods. Y'all see how they done switched the whole thing around? When all this do this? They got the wine section over here. Y'all thinking I need to get some wine? Ooh, that look good for $5.99. Mango. I'm gonna try that thing. What y'all think? Y'all know I ain't no wine drinker. It's $5.99. Mimosa. That's what it is. Okay, I'm gonna try it for $5.99. This thing probably gonna sit in the refrigerator. But I need to get some. What a darn canned goods at? They done redid the whole thing. Look at here. Look at here. They really have. Look how long a line. Look at this. Y'all, all this is coming up. Look at here, look at here, look at here. Look at here. Ooh, what is that? Nissa, you supposed to be coming in here to get some darn canned goods. You was blowing all this. But they didn't change everything around, fam. They have completely changed everything around. I mean, completely changed everything around. Look at here. Okay, all this, it look better. Now I gotta find out where the canned goods at. Oh, do y'all see this? It used to be the short aisles, but now it's just straight long aisles. I like it. I like it. Okay, let me get my green beans. Get one. Get two. And 3. They had to do this overnight. They really and truly had to do this overnight. This is great. This is really and truly great. My oldest trying to come up in Alabama, y'all. They really trying to come up in Alabama. You see it's down there by the Aldi Farms. Wait a minute now. What am I looking for? I done forgot what I was looking for, fam. Okay, I got my bacon for $3.99. And what else I supposed to be getting? I done forgot. These darn eggs still has all outdoors. I think I got eggs at home, so I don't need any eggs. No, I don't need any eggs. So I think I got eggs at home. I'm thinking, fam. I'm thinking. Well, I think I got eggs at home. Alright, y'all seen what I got? Let's check out. I like the way they look, though. This is great. This is really and truly great. So let's check out. Bam! Did y'all see how all this done changed it around? Okay. Okay, Aldis. Okay, Aldis. It looks so much better. So much better. It's like they made the aisles longer instead of having them cut off into short aisles. Great, great. Thumbs up, Aldis. Thumbs up. So, fam, we're headed home. We got what we need. We're going to total it up. And I'm going to show you that you can feed your family less than $50 for a week. Let's head home. Okay, fam, I done made it home from South Furnish Meat and Aldi's. Okay. I did the $23.99 pick 5. I got 2 packs of the chicken drumettes. I got a pack of the neck bones. I got a big pack of the chicken thighs. I got the lima beans, fresh frozen lima beans. I got the bag of biscuits. This right here from South Furnish Meat, everything right here was $30 because I threw in the biscuits. Okay, I went to Aldi's. Got the bacon, because y'all know I love bacon. Got me 3 cans of green beans, 68 cents a piece. The bacon was $3.99. Got a bag of onions. That was $2.55. Plus, y'all know what I got. Bam! I'm going to try this. I am going to try this right here. It looks so good, fam. I'm not an alcohol drinker. Let me make that clear. But it looks so pretty. And it looks like it's good. Resting brunch face. We gonna try that. But this was $5.99. So, let's total up how much I spent. Okay, fam, for all this, I spent a total of what, $45, $46 for a week worth of food. Now, if you subtract that right there, because that was $6, that means that this costs $40. $40 worth of food. And which today, I'm going to cook them ground beef patties that I bought last week. I'm going to cook some of those smothered in onions and gravy. I'm going to make my own gravy. And we're going to have some green beans and biscuits. So that's going to be really, really good. Y'all might get a cooking video with me sipping on that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. Until the next video, fam. Happy Saturday.